This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Michael Pappas. Detached home with an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, 2-story foyer, 2-story family room, open gourmet kitchen, new appliances, hardwood, and tile floors. Library or formal dining room. Upper level features 3 flexible spaces with 2 full bathroom. New tankless water heater. Beautiful private patio, and the home is at the end of a cul-de-sac. The neighborhood features 2 swimming pools, 5 tennis courts and 3 pickleball court. If you love golf, you may obtain a golf membership. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Pappas at 865-693-1111.